How to accept admin requests on Facebook iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. Once you are on the main feed, tap your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner to open the menu. The menu provides access to your profile, pages, settings, and other tools. From here, find and tap on the Professional dashboard. This gives you insights into your page's performance and access to various management tools. On this page, scroll down and tap on Tools. Now, scroll down until you find the Profile section and tap on Page Access. On the Page Access screen, you can view people with Facebook access, which lists current admins. You can also see people with task access and business portfolios with access. Following these steps, you can easily accept admin requests on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.